Hey guys, this is me Yasin Afridi over here, and today I'm going to play a game. So I think you guys are really excited what game I'm gonna play now. Let's see. This actually this is a surprise for you. So I'm gonna play Floppy Bird. Okay, I'm gonna play this Floppy Bird, Happy Bird. No. I'm sorry, I'm really sorry. I already installed it, so let's see where it is. There it's game. Okay, let's start. Okay. Oh shit, I'm gonna try it again. Oh, I got 1 point. Okay. Oh, let's try it again. Real guys, this is very addicted game. So okay. Oh shit, this is the last time I'm gonna play it. Oh, again. Sorry for the ad. Okay, let's play. Okay 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 okay. Oh guys, really this game is pretty awesome and very addicted game. Oh guys, I will suggest you not to play this game because if you have any spare time or leisure time you can play this game, because this game will help to pass your time, so you can play this game. But I'm not gonna play this game anymore. So if you like this video, thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.